Right now we need to measure the center of this hitch right here. About 18. Sure. 18. I'll show you why that's significant. All right, there's two holes here. These are where the license plate usually goes. And this is an '07 Dodge 1500, 4.7 liter. And it's a half ton, which is, that's what the 1500 means. And anyways, I made a mark that was the same distance from the ground up to this mark right here. And then I took my grinder and made that mark a little bit deeper. And then these two holes, these square holes, are 7 inches apart, center to center. And then this picture shows that between this hole and the center of this is going to be a ½ inch above this hole. Now these holes, both of them, are now round and they're ½ inch. That's how I broke one of the bits that I have, so I don't have that anymore. Okay, so now I marked right here a mark between these two entry points here, between these two holes here, and right in the center of these two holes. Okay, now this has to be cut out right here. Mark it with an X. And then this will fit something like that. And it'll make sense once we get it all done. Now I've got this notched correctly. It's going to be like that. And then this side here, I'm going to have to jack it up because I took a little bit too much off. So I'm going to put this in there to jack it up a little. Whenever you have a situation like this where you have, I got two holes here and one over here. The same with this hitch. I've got 4 holes altogether. My bit isn't quite 5/8, which it should be, but it's not. I could go buy another bit. But okay, now it's fitting real good. So you have to sort of alignment, do an alignment with the holes. I don't know if I can bend this over or not. This vise is okay, but I don't want to crack it. I made a pie cut because the bumper has a curvature. I'm afraid I'm going to bust it. Might have to heat this area up.